Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert the Google AI Studio app into a web app. First, open the Google AI Studio website on your computer and log into your account using your Google credentials. Then click on Build from the left side menu. This section shows all your available tools for creating AI apps. After that, click on your apps from the menu to see a list of all the apps you've created so far. From your apps list, select the app you want to convert into a web app, for example, Flash UI. Once the app page opens, click on the Deploy App icon located at the top right corner. You will see an option to deploy your app as a Cloud Run service. Deploying as a Cloud Run service will make your app accessible via a public URL. Don't worry, your API key is securely used by the app and will not be exposed publicly. Now, you need to select a cloud project. If you already have an existing project, you can select it from the list. If not, click on Create Project, enter a name for your project, and Create Project to set it up. Once the project is created, select it from the list. You can click Refresh to ensure your project appears. Click on the project will open its details in a new tab. You can also switch between multiple projects if needed. Now, you will see important information like the project number, project ID, and other related details. Next, go back and click on Setup Billing. Select your country from the drop-down menu, then click Agree and Continue. You will now need to enter your contact information. After that, add a payment method to complete the billing setup. This is necessary for deploying apps to Google Cloud, even if some free credits are visible. Once billing is set up, return to your app in Google AI Studio. Click on the Save to GitHub icon at the top right corner. If needed, go back to your apps, select the same app again, and click on Save to GitHub once more. Here, enter a repository name and a description for your project. Choose whether the repository will be private or public, then click Save. After that, click Create Git Repo to generate the repository on GitHub. Once the repository is ready, carefully review all the changes you have made in the app. When you are satisfied, click on the stage and commit all changes to save all your updates to GitHub. This ensures that the code and app configuration are backed up and ready for deployment. Next, open a new browser tab and search for Vercel. Then, click on the first link that appears on Vercel. Click on Add New, then select Project. You will see an option to import Git repository. Click on Import next to it. Now choose the repository you created on GitHub for your app. Select where you want to create the project in your Vercel account and give your project a name. After completing the setup, click on Deploy. You will see a deployment process starts, which may take a few minutes depending on the size of your app. Once the deployment is complete, your app is successfully live. Click and continue the dashboard, then click Visit to open your web app. Now, as you can see, your Google AI Studio app has been fully converted into a web app. It is now accessible through a public URL ready for use, and you can share it with anyone. You can also manage the deployment, make updates, and redeploy directly from Vercel if needed. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.